Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Windows 10 version 2004. It's May 2020 update from Microsoft, and I'm gonna show you how you can download its ISO file from Microsoft's official site. And I'm showing this because in the next video I'm gonna show you how you can directly run Kali Linux on Windows 10 using Linux kernel. For that, you need to have Windows 10 version 2004 built 19041 or higher. So, let's start the video. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, open Google Chrome and then go to the Microsoft site. I'll provide you the link in the description, or you can manually search over there and go to more tools and then developer tools. Here you can see now here is create Windows 10 installation media, but you can't see any option to download the ISO file. Here is the option that you can use update assistant, but in most cases it will fail. So now enter Control Shift and M and then refresh the browser. Now here you can see we have the ISO file download option. Now you can close this. Okay, select the edition, select Windows 10 and then confirm. Now select the language that you want. Okay, I'm going to select English. Confirm it. Now select the bit that you want. I'm going to select 64-bit. Okay, you can see the download has begun. Windows 10 2004 English, and this is a ISO file. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, and in the next video we'll see how we can install the Kali Linux in our Windows 10 machine and run it with graphical user interface. Thank you.